Hi, I'm Sarah Dockeray, a librarian at the Osceola Campus Library at Valencia College, and this video is designed to show you how to find and use subject-specific databases for literature research. In this case, any subject-specific database will be catered specifically towards literature research and as a result should be fairly simple to use. As you can see, I've already logged into Atlas and clicked Search the Library, and it's brought me to the library catalog. From here, I'm going to click Databases by Subject, and from the list, go to Literature. This shows me all of the databases I can use to do literature research, most of them being subject-specific. The first database I'd recommend using is Literature Resources from Gale. The database should open in a new window. And once you're there, again, you can see it's fairly simple to use. The fields are already selected for you. So for this example, we're going to use the author August Wilson and his play Fences. All I have to do is put Fences in under Name of Work and click Search. Once I get into the database, on the left side where all my limiters are, I'm going to pick the subject that says Wilson, August to make sure that I'm getting the right Fences. From here, you can see I have 44 results of literature criticism essays. So again, essays that other authors have written about August Wilson and about his play Fences. There's also 41 biographies on August Wilson. There's topic and work overviews, which I like to describe sometimes as book reviews on steroids. They give all the details, in this case a play, they'll give all the details of the play, some of the plot points, detail some of the characters, sometimes locations, and so on. In Literature Resources from Gale, you'll also see you have this secondary search on the left-hand side. It usually auto-populates with whatever you searched. But in this database, you can use that search now to search through the 44 results we'd already gotten. So you can enter in a theme, a character name, an event, anything that you might specifically be searching for within the literature criticism. Another subject-specific database that can be very helpful to you is called Literary Reference Center Plus. The first thing you'll want to do in this database is click on Advanced Search. And from here you'd search much the same. I can put in Fences. The only difference is that you do need to select a field on the right-hand side. You'll want to pick Title of Work if you put in the title of the play you're working on, or novel, or short story. You don't want to pick title because that will search the titles of the essays about the play or book. So if we pick Title of Work and click Search, you can see we got 8 search results. Even though they all have the same title, they'll all be different essays because this database has a lot of content that's from books. So in most every book it'll have the same title, but the actual essay will be different. So you can click on the HTML full text option, and now you can go through and read the essay. You can see the contents here of the essay. So you can see there's some quick reference about the play, and then at the end there's a critical evaluation. A third database that isn't exactly literature subject specific is Biography and Context. So you'll have to close it and go to Biography category and click Biography and Context. This can be helpful if you're using a biographical approach in your literature essay. That means that you would examine the author's life and try to find any parallels. So for example, if I go here and I search August Wilson and start to look through his biographies, I would find that A lot of the characters and events that take place in Fences have also happened to August Wilson or are based off of people or events in August Wilson's life. Here in Biography and Context, you have a general biography in the center page. And as you scroll down, you'll see that there's content from academic journals, reference books, magazines, and newspapers, all about August Wilson that you have at your disposal. Now, I haven't shown you every subject-specific database in literature, so here's a list of some other databases that you might find helpful.